Johnny here, production manager of DK Shower Pans, your premier hot mop company serving all of Orange County, LA, San Diego, and Santa Barbara, Inland Empire included. We also service the Las Vegas and surrounding areas. We're here today to start a series of videos to our valued customers to help them get their shower pans ready for hot mop. We're going to go through a lot of things. First off, we have the framing to deal with. We have the plumbing issues that happen. We have benches, seats, recessed floors. There's a lot going on in your shower pan, and we want to make sure that you're ready so we keep your job going. The first in the series of these videos is going to have to do with the framings, because they're always the first ones in, and it seems to be one of the last ones out. Backing is important. The height is important. As you can see, this runs up at least 10 inches, what we allow. 2x10s are great, but that doesn't mean you always have to use it. If you have 2x6, you can stack 2x4 or 2x6 on top to get your height. You can see one got forgotten. It's very easy, just to take a block, cut it to fit, get it in there, screw it on down. Now, there'll be plenty of times, as you can see in this bay, where the plumbing or other obstructions are in the wall that can't be covered with wood. It's too far. So what we do at DK Shower Pans is that we use 24 gauge sheet metal to bypass this. And as you see on this one, we put a bend in it because there's no plate here. So that helps once it's screwed, that as other workers kick, it won't cause a rip or tear and a leak later. Now, when there's a bottom plate and going down, a flat piece is just fine. Just remember, don't screw through your plumbing. Believe me, I've done it. This will help give a nice solid backing around your whole shower. The second part of the framing is the curb. This is one of the most troublesome spots in a shower pan. A lot of low profile curbs are wanted, but today we're going to show what a standard shower curb looks like. Nails can be used. But I prefer to screw everything that I possibly can. You can see that we're adding 2, and that gives us 3 inches off the floor. This is the bare minimum that you can have for your curb. That gives you a nice low profile even after float and set by the tile men. But remember, the larger your shower, the higher your curb. This shower itself is pretty standard. It's measured out to a 3x5, which could be in a remodel where a tub was taken out and a shower's getting put in, or pretty much basic for any of the track homes. You're gonna have one shower, that's a 3x5. Now on a standard shower, 3 2x4s stacked, just like this, is standard procedure. Once we get to the drain videos, this will make a lot more sense on why we need it. There we go. 4.5 inch, standard curb, standard shower.